Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another Blackpink. You know we're on a Blackpink marathon right now. Yeah, Blackpink / Lisa's marathon. I'm gonna do the other members of the group solo tracks. Also, I've seen comments with it with a full list, so thank you for that. I will be doing that. So for those who just joining, I'm new to this whole Blackpink movement, the Blinks. So I'm taking my time and I'm going through the songs. So today we heard How You Like That. I believe this one came out 4 years ago, I think. 4 years ago with 1.2 billion views at my current time of reacting to it. So we're gonna jump in this one and see what they gotta say. Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Blackpink in your area.
Dramatic as always.
보란 듯이 무너졌어. 바닥을 뚫고 저 지하까지. 엊그처럼 잡겠다고. 저 높이 두 손을 뻗어봐도 다시 캄캄한 이곳에 light up the sky. 네 두 눈을 보며 I kiss you bye. 실컷 비웃어라 꼴좋으니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that?
Oh!
You gon' like that?
I've seen this song on so much advertisement. I've heard this song on so much advertisement. I didn't know this was Blackpink's song. I didn't I rarely watch TV, so sometimes when I see some advertisement happening and I'm hearing the song in the background, I'm not paying any attention to the song, but okay. All right.
Blackpink in your area.
보란 듯이 무너졌어. 바닥을 뚫고 저 지하까지. 엊그처럼 잡겠다고. 저 높이 두 손을 뻗어봐도 다시 캄캄한 이곳에 light up the sky. 네 두 눈을 보며 I kiss you bye.
Video, so there's so much going on in the video.
꼴좋으니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋.
1, 2,
How you
3.
like that? You gon' like that? How you like that? How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me.
Okay.
Look at you, now look at me.
Okay.
Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Your girl need a doll and that's 100. Package 중에 100 내 몫을 원해. Come on.
Lisa with her stuff. Lisa, why do you always have to come in and just mess up the whole thing with your talent, girl? Why you have to do that shit? Her rapping skills is different, man.
Now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Your girl need a doll and that's 100.
Yeah.
Package 중에 100 내 몫을 원해.
Yeah.
Come on, get some. 나 같지만 어쩔 순 없잖아. What's up? I'm right back. 방금 sweater cock back. Plain Jane get hijacked. Don't like me, then tell me how you like that. Like.
Nope.
Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Your girl need a doll and that's 100. Package 중에 100 내 몫을 원해. Come on, get some. 나 같지만 어쩔 순 없잖아. What's up? I'm right back. 방금 sweater cock back. Plain Jane get hijacked. Don't like me, then tell me how you like that. Like
Plain
that.
Jane. She said plain Jane get hijacked. Plain Jane get hijacked.
지만 어때 doll and that's 100. 패키지 중에 100 내 몫을 원해. Come on, get some. 나 같지만 어쩔 순 없잖아. What's up? I'm right back. 방금 sweater cock back. Plain Jane get hijacked. Don't like me, then tell me how you like that.
I like how they mix up both languages together. They put the English at the end of some sentences, or sometimes they put it at the starting of the sentences, and then they just translate into another English. It's just great. Transition, sorry, into another language. It's crazy.
Like the stars, 그 미소를 띠며 I kiss you goodbye. 실컷 비웃어라 꼴조니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that? You gon' like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Like that? How you like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? 나에게 이른 채로 추락했던 날 어두운 하늘 속에 갇혀 있던 날 그때쯤에 넌 날 끝내야 했어. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Bring out the pop, bitch. BLACKPINK. Dum 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 dum. How you like that? Dum 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 dum. You gon' like that?
Melodies, man.
Dum 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 dum. How
The
you
vibe.
like that? Dum 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 dum.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. The whole production behind all of them of their music videos that I've watched so far, it's just dramatic. It's crazy. There's so much going on, which is good. Like that's a Blackpink that's a Blackpink production right there. You know, like it's done. It's done like no other, man. It's just crazy. There's so much put into these music videos and dance routines and stuff like that. The whole production. Shout out to you guys, man. You guys are doing it crazy. Blackpink, big up yourselves, man. The Blinks, big up yourself too. You know. Drop a follow on the channel if you haven't done so already, and click on any one of these two videos if you want another Blackpink reaction from myself. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.